Welcome to today's session, and in today's session we are going to discuss about mirror formula. Mirror formula. What is mirror formula? A formula which gives us a formula which gives the relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length. A formula which gives the relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length is known as mirror formula. Which is the formula which gives us relationship between what? U is nothing but object distance, V is nothing but image distance and F is nothing but focal length. A formula which gives us relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length is known as mirror formula. That is 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is our mirror formula. 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. What is F here? F is nothing but focal length. What is V? V is nothing but image distance. Image distance is represented by letter V. And what is U? U is nothing but object distance, which is going to be represented by U. What is U? Object distance. Distance between pole and object is known as object distance. Image distance. Distance between pole and image is known as image distance. What is focal length? It is the distance between pole and focus is known as focal length. So a formula which gives us the relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length is known as mirror formula. This formula will help us to find out the characteristics of an image like nature, position and size of the image. So that is our formula, which is 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay. Now we will discuss about magnification. What do you mean by magnification? Magnification produced by the mirrors. Magnification produced by the mirror. What do you mean by magnification? Magnification is nothing but it is the ratio of which is going to be represented with letter M. It is the ratio of size of the image to the size of the object. What do you mean by magnification? Magnification is nothing but it is the ratio of size of the image to the size of the object. So M equal to size of the image. Let me represent HA. We can also call it as height of the image. We can also call it as height of the image to the height of the image to the height of the object. So H means height, I means image, height of the image to the height of the object. Magnification is nothing but what? It is the ratio of size of image to the size of object, height of the image to the height of the object. Okay, this is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. M equal to Hi by H naught. So we can also define magnification as it is also ratio of image distance to the object distance. It is the ratio of image distance to the object distance. It is the ratio of image distance to the object distance with a negative sign. It is the ratio of what? Image distance. It is the ratio of image distance. Image distance is V and object distance is U with a negative sign. With a negative sign. So M equal to what? Minus V by U, which is our equation number 2. The first definition is it is the ratio of size of the image to the size of the object. That's why M equal to Hi by H naught. And the second definition is it is also the ratio of size image distance to the object distance with a negative sign. We can write as M equal to minus V by U. Okay, from equation number 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, you can observe here M equal to Hi by H naught, here M equal to minus V by U. From equation 1 and 2, I can also write as M equal to Hi by H naught equal to minus V by U. Magnification equal to what? Hi by H naught equal to minus V by U. This formula will help us to find out the position, nature and characteristics of an image. We can also find height of the object. We can also find height of the image. So what is the formula? M equal to Hi by H naught equal to minus V by U. So magnification is, we have to understand 2 points here. Magnification is when it will be positive, when the magnification will be negative. These 2 cases we have to understand. Magnification produced by a mirror is positive. Magnification produced by a mirror is positive, nothing but which is a virtual image. If it is positive, which is called which image? Virtual image. If the magnification produced by the spherical mirror is negative, then this is called as real image. These 2 points you have to understand why magnification is positive and why magnification is negative. Okay, for virtual image, you can see here, for virtual image, height of the object is always positive. Virtual image is nothing but what? Always, if the object is placed like this, image also will get like this only. I mean, they both are upward and perpendicular to the principal axis. Yes, they both are upward and perpendicular to the principal axis. That's why for virtual image, magnification is always positive, because both are positive only. Image distance, height of the image and height of the object, both are positive. Hence magnification is positive. Why magnification is negative for real image? Because if we place an object like this, we get the image like this. For real image, I mean, what will happen? This is our image, which is our negative, because it is downward and perpendicular to the principal axis. Downward and perpendicular to the principal axis. That's why magnification is negative. Height of the image is negative. Height of the object is positive. Negative by positive, which is negative. So for real image, magnification is negative. This is very important point. When magnification is negative, when it is positive. Negative in the case of real image. Positive in the case of virtual image. Okay. So this mirror formula and magnification will help us to find out the numerical problems which is related to spherical mirrors. In the next video, we will discuss about numericals related to the spherical mirrors, both concave and convex. Thank you.